know that scientists once made dogs drool just by the sound of a bell? That sounds crazy, right? Crazy thing is this can be done to humans, and it's being done to us every single day. Let's talk about it. Imagine you have this dog named Max, and every time you give him a treat, you also ring a bell. After doing it many times, you can ring a bell and Max starts to drool and get excited just because of the sound of it, and no treat needs to be in sight. So animals, including humans, can learn to associate two things together. So like the dog, learning to associate a bell ringing with a treat. And then when the bell rings, the reaction, the salivation starts to happen even though there is no treat. Modern day Pavlov's law is being done to us through big food and their food advertising. How many of you have seen a commercial, had no cravings for food, and then all of a sudden see it on the TV screen and you start craving it? That's Pavlov's law. Big food, in fact, spends about $14 billion a year to advertise to start making you salivate even when you're not hungry.